Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set an alarm clock on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, first of all, just open the clock app on your Samsung phone. In the clock app, just tap on alarm at the bottom row on the screen. Now to create an alarm, just tap on the plus icon. And from here, just set the time for your alarm. Just like that. In this section, you can select when to repeat this alarm. And if you tap on alarm name, you can create a name for your alarm, just like that. Now, if you tap on alarm sound, you can set a sound for your alarm. You can either tap on Spotify and you can choose your favorite song to set it as your alarm sound, or you can tap on ringtone and you can select an alarm sound from the list over here, just like that. Now, you can also enable or disable the vibration for your alarm, and you can also enable or disable the snooze option for your alarm. If you tap on snooze, you can increase or decrease the snooze time, or you can create a custom snooze time, just like that. And once you've done that, just tap on save to save the alarm which we have created, just like that. And this is how you can set an alarm on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.